Bismillah. Let's try one of the hardest question in the PTE exam actually, which is repeat sentence. Repeat sentence, personally, I find it one of the most hardest and confused question in this whole exam, and one of the most reasons that many people get the lowest score or lowest than expected in the exam because of this hard question actually. Let's practice some of them and try to get the best what we can. Actually, I don't want to start with hard one. Let us start with medium one.
Renewable energy sources are now used to produce electricity.
Renewable energy sources are now used to produce energy. I will redo. Because of
Renewable energy sources are now used to produce electricity.
renewable energy sources are now used for producing electricity. Let's see. Actually, it's not good. It's easy actually, but you know they are putting some words together that you cannot exactly get the same fluency or the fluency that you need. Even the words are easy, but the fluency is not easy at all. Let's see. Renewable energy sources are renewable energy. What? Really? I didn't expect that actually. I expect lower than this by far. Okay, let's try another one.
The building will be closed.
Let's go to the hard one. Oh, 6 seconds.
We have specially assigned staff to help you find appropriate work placements.
We have a special assigned staff which help you for finding. Oh, it's too much. I didn't. Actually, it should be. What I am doing is to memorize the words in my brain and then try to repeat it. This is what I am doing. But in some cases, it's not actually work because the words are hard and I couldn't put the same sequence of the sentence together. So I will redo it and try again.
We have specially assigned staff to help you find appropriate work placements.
We have a special science staff to help you to work appropriate. This is the maximum that I get. Let's see now. We have a special science staff to help you. We have a special science staff to help you. This is assigned staff. Assigned. I hear the sinus actually. To help you to find appropriate placements. Okay. 69 is low actually. So let's try to put here a mark. To repeat it once again in another time. Let's try another one.
Living in the 21st century is increasingly stressful.
Living in 24th century is increasingly stressful. Living in 24th century is increasingly stressful. I was stressed and stressful. Living in 24th century 21st. This is also I hear 24th. Is increasingly stressful. This is why. Actually 21st. I heard it incorrectly. But okay, 78 also acceptable. Okay, let's try another one.
The
Please read the article that was given out yesterday.
Please read the article that was given to yesterday. Please read the article that was
please read the article that was given to yesterday.
This is another problem actually while reading repeat sentence. This I'm trying to mimic his pronunciation, and I feel that it is wrong, because you should read with your normal pronunciation but clearly. That's the point. Article here I tried to do it like pronounce like his pronunciation, so I get it wrong. Okay, next time I will do it with my own way. Okay, thank you everyone for the watching.